भारत के वीर जवानों की शौर्यता को समर्पित है वेबसाइट bharatkeveer.gov.in। अब मैं राष्ट्रीय सूचना केंद्र की महानिदेशक श्रीमती नीता वर्मा से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे इसकी संक्षिप्त जानकारी हमें दें और वेबसाइट लॉन्च की प्रक्रिया आरंभ करें।
Honorable Home Minister, Home Secretary, Director IB, Bollywood actor Shri Akshay Kumar, Secretary DWS, Director General CRPF, ADG CRPF, MD SBI, officers of CRPF and distinguished guests. bharatkeveer.gov.in is a web portal designed to publish information about martyrs of all forces of CAPF. The information about martyrs will comprise of name, age, description of the incidents of the martyrdom, place of martyrdom, and about the dependents of the martyrdom. Using this portal, anyone can contribute to support the family of martyrs. Payment can be done using any instrument, namely of payment, credit card, debit card, or even net banking. On making a payment, an SMS is sent to the family of martyr informing that such an amount has been contributed to their account. SMS is also sent to the contributor acknowledging his contribution. There is also a provision of certificate to be given to each contributor from Ministry of Home Affairs, which can be directly downloaded from the website. This portal can be accessed from any device, whether it is desktop, laptop, or even mobile phones which you have in your hand. Thus, this provides a very simple means for all of us here or citizens of India across or outside contribute, connect to the family of martyrs, and contribute to support them. May I now request Honorable Home Minister to launch the web portal bharatkeveer.gov.in.
Honorable Home Minister and all distinguished guests, before the portal is launched, I just want to acknowledge with gratitude the contribution of Mr. Akshay Kumar to this effort. As a matter of fact, it was his idea. He came to our office in North Block and suggested it, and we have picked it up from him and brought it to a reality. So it's a heartfelt thanks on behalf of the entire Ministry of the Home Affairs and all the CPFs that he has given us the idea, and then he has contributed to evolving this website by giving his valuable time to us when we asked for it. I must also mention that in the last incident in Sukma, Mr. Akshay Kumar personally contributed more than 1 crore rupees to the families of all the dead.
धन्यवाद। हम आपको ये भी बताना चाहते हैं कि भारत के वीर अकाउंट में SBI ऑफिसर्स एसोसिएशन दिल्ली सर्कल और SBI फैमिली ऑफ दिल्ली ने भी 50-50 हजार रुपए का योगदान दिया है। हाल ही में तो ये है भारत के वीर, हमारी नई वेबसाइट। हाल ही में लोकप्रिय अभिनेता श्री अक्षय कुमार को सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिनेता के राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार के सम्मान से सम्मानित किए जाने की घोषणा हुई। हम सभी की ओर से उनको बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई देते हैं। हम
protecting the borders in the west with Pakistan and in the north and east with China, and facing the threats generated by the militants in Jammu and Kashmir, insurgency in the northeast and Maoist extremists in central and east India to keep us safe. One soldier loses his or her life every third day and one is permanently incapacitated. This is a homage to brave hearts and an effort to provide support to their families. You can donate directly to individual Brave Hearts account up to maximum of rupees 15 lakh or may donate to the Bharat Ke Veer Corpus. You may search Martyr by entering name, state, force, place and period. System will display selected Brave Heart. Once a Brave Heart is selected by the individual, basic details such as name, age on date of martyrdom, and dependents of Brave Hearts are displayed with brief description of the incident. One can proceed for contribution by clicking the button I would like to contribute. Once you decide to contribute, you will be asked to provide basic details such as name, mobile number, amount you want to contribute. You will confirm your details by entering OTP sent by the system. The system will prompt for confirmation for making the payment. The payment gateway of SBI will facilitate the individual in making contribution in support of the selected Brave Heart. Now you will be asked to enter payment details. The payment gateway displays the contribution details for the individual to confirm by clicking Pay Now button. On confirmation, an OTP is sent to the mobile of the individual. The individual will enter the OTP sent by the bank for completing that transaction. After successful transaction, the transaction details are displayed and a certificate can be downloaded.
नमस्कार, मैं अक्षय कुमार हाथ जोड़ के आपको धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं कि आज आपने एक भारतीय वीर जवान के परिवार की सेवा की. Your contribution to the noble cause is appreciated from the core of my heart. God bless. Jai Hind.
अक्षय जी के इस प्रोत्साहन के लिए हम उनका धन्यवाद करते हैं और अब